exercise, actual polygraph test, and actual attachment of polygraph components and questioning. The actual attachment of the polygraph components in the subject, the first one to attach is the numerograph 1. These are the tubes are placed around the chest and abdomen. The function of the numerograph 1 is to measure and record breathing patterns including the rate and the depth of respiration. The second to attach is the numerograph 2. It has the same function with the numerograph 1. Third is the cardiopulmonograph. This includes the blood pressure cuff and it typically placed around the upper arm. It measures cardiovascular activity such as blood pressure and heart rate. And the last one to attach is the gallmograph. This involves sensors placed on the index finger and the ring finger. The function of the gallmograph is to checking the blood pressure and the heart rate of the subject. Removing the polygraph components of the subject after you're done questioning is the rule. The first one to be removed is the gallmograph, followed by the cardiopulmonograph, followed by the pulmonograph 2 and a pulmonograph 1. In today's presentation, that includes for all. That's all. Thank you.